Hey guys, welcome to Sarah's Jewelry Studio. So today I have a very special video for you. So not only did I hit 1,000 subscribers, which is a very exciting milestone for any YouTuber because that opens up a lot of new options to you. The main thing that everybody else looks for is that you can monetize your channel, which means giving you ads, which I'm not going to do. Unless I get 100,000 subscribers or something like that, it's just not worth it to me. For the amount of money that you make, it's just not worth it. So I already pay for YouTube Premium just so I don't have to deal with other people's ads because they bothered me that much. So I definitely don't want to do that to you guys. But the main thing for me was that it unlocks the community tab, which I have not seen on my channel yet. I just got the notification yesterday that I hit 1,000 subscribers. So apparently it takes a couple of days for all the features to unlock. So that should be coming out soon. But anyway, so the other main thing is, and I'm sure you've noticed I haven't put out any content in a couple weeks, at least since the challenge on the 15th. I have been working on transitioning to a new area. So my son, he moved out, and so I took over his room as a craft room, which is what I'm in right now. And so I've been painting and moving things in, and I'm not even done moving everything in yet. But I'm going to give you guys a quick little tour just so you can kind of see the space. In the process, I broke my camera holder, so that's why this one is very wiggly, because I'm actually holding my camera. But anyway, so need to get that. I also broke a mirror too, so we're gonna say that that's not bad luck, but anyway. So yeah, so that's what I've been working on. So I haven't been making a whole lot of jewelry. I made jewelry once in my dining room just because my workstation was totally deconstructed already at that point. But just because I needed a fix. So anyway, so yeah, so I'm gonna give you guys a quick little tour. There's nothing in here aside from furniture. I just finished moving everything in today, and we're gonna get all that done hopefully very soon, and then I'll do another tour video once I have everything organized, which I don't know how long that's gonna take, but once I'm organized, then I will actually do another video where you can actually see how I have everything stored. But in the meantime, I'm just gonna show you everything that's empty. So stay tuned and I'll be right back. All right, so we're gonna start the tour here. This is the door coming into the room. So you can see the paint color that I chose is called Beachside Drive. So I just went to the beach, and I always love beach themed stuff anyway, so I decided to roll with it. So this is where I'm going to have all of my jewelry stuff stored. So I have this bookshelf here that I'll have, actually I think I'm going to use this for made jewelry, and then this is just my little cart, which obviously I didn't have to unload to bring it in here. So this is just still how it is. This is all the stuff that I have that would be to make videos with. Like unboxings and stuff like that, but obviously I'm a bit behind. I haven't even been doing the Potomac bead ones, but we'll see. Hopefully one of these times I'll get to make some of those videos. And then this is just where I normally keep my containers of beads, which I think I'm going to keep doing that the same way for now. And then I bought this pegboard from IKEA. Now it takes different kind of pegs, and they're kind of pricey, so I'm not going to do a full pegboard of pegs. Let me get that glare off of there. There you go. So they have little shelves and stuff like that, so I'm going to put that on there. But I do have another pegboard that I also got from IKEA, but I turned it sideways, and then I have regular peg hooks that you would get at a store. And those, they work if you turn it sideways, like this way. So they go through here. So I have another one that's tall, and I'm going to hang that right here. I just have to have something to hang it from so it pops off the wall a little bit. So I just haven't worked that out yet. So that's still in the other area. And then I have another bookshelf back here, and this is where I was keeping all of packing supplies and stuff like that for shipping out orders. I'm not sure if I'm going to rework that or not, but that is what I think I might still do with it. As you can tell, I like lamps. I have a lamp addiction. I don't know why. So this little cart here I got from Joann's. I think it was Joann's. They always have them on sale for $29.99. So I got that, and it doesn't really hold a lot of stuff. Like I don't know what I was picturing, but so for right now I have like paper stuff like cardstock, and then like label maker, you know, just like paper stuff in the top, and then this is just some mailing stuff, which I'm probably gonna reorganize over under that bookshelf. Some Made jewelry, which I think they just got thrown in there because I wanted the bag that it was in. And then this bottom half is all polymer clay stuff. So like, this is all like knives and blades. And this is all clay. And then just a couple of tools, which I do have more stuff that's out there, just haven't put it away yet. But anyway, so this is gonna be my polymer clay station. So you can see I have the clay machine, a cutting mat. So this is gonna be where I'm gonna do polymer clay, which before I haven't had a space for it, so I'm excited for that. As you guys can see, I just saw that I had the floor in there. So we opted not to do the floor. I was gonna do tile floor in here. We opted not to do that yet because we found that there's a crack back in this corner over here, and so that's not a do-it-yourself job. So I figure when we're ready to tackle that process, then we're just going to pay someone to do it, because I was going to lay a tile myself, but then it became not a do-it-yourself job, and I was like, all right, well, I'm just going to move in, and when we're ready to do that, then I'll do that. So this is my workstation for like my regular Monday through Friday job, so I have that. And then this is my little sewing station here. My sewing machine has lived in a box its whole life for probably a decade, so now I finally have it out so I can actually use it. So this is literally all the sewing stuff I have, because I haven't done anything with sewing, even though I've wanted to, because it's always lived in a box. And then just a little area for the kids. Now obviously I don't have any of the stuff in here yet since everything's empty, but this is the general layout, and as we start loading stuff in, if I have to change things, then I might do that. This closet here is just going to be for holiday storage, so like Christmas stuff, Halloween stuff, whatever. Those totes are going to go back in there, and they're currently in the laundry room, but we want to clean that area out because eventually we're going to get solar, and that the components for that take up space. So got to get some of my decor hung up in here. So those are a couple of things I've picked out from the house that I'd already had in other areas that I want to put in here, just because I think they go with the color scheme very well with the walls. And then this is just like Christmas crafts that we bought a bunch of Christmas stuff to do, like Dollar Tree DIYs at Christmas time. We never did them, so we're gonna do those. These drawers are just empty for now. Actually, there's a bag of like acrylic paints in there, and then that bin is also all paint stuff. So I don't have enough room in here to make a painting station, so this is all just like acrylic paints. And then I have a bunch of canvases and stuff like that. So I gotta figure out a way to store all that stuff to where it's accessible, so it doesn't feel like it's stored and I don't use it like the way the clay and the sewing machine were. So I think that's it. Oh, my cool trash can I got for Christmas from IKEA. Love that trash can. All right, and then this is actually a pool table light that I got from a friend of mine, and so I like it. It's down low. I have some daylight light bulbs in there. So there's my workstation that I'm actually going to make the jewelry at. I do have my eye on a table at IKEA that's more round and like wider, because my sister-in-law Susan, she usually comes over and we work together. So when she does, I'll just pull the other chair over. But I want to get that other more round table, because typically we had this table and that table is what we work together on, and we just had them buttoned up next to each other. But anyway, so I wanted that table for another workstation. So I'm gonna get a bigger table for the middle, and then we can ditch the folding tables. So as of right now, none of the furniture matches in here. I just kind of grabbed this and that as I was creating my workspace. And yeah, so eventually over time, I'll either paint stuff or, you know, buy stuff that actually matches. But yeah, so in the meantime, this is my new Sarah's Jewelry Studio, and I can't wait to fill these shelves up over here so I can actually get started on creating stuff. So that is everything. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see me because I can't see the screen anymore, but I just wanted to say thanks for tuning in, and I will catch you next time. See ya. Wait a second, I totally forgot. I wanted to talk about the 1,000 beads for 1,000 subscribers giveaway. So I have mentioned in a few times in various videos about doing a giveaway for hitting 1,000 subscribers. And so I've never actually watched anyone else do a giveaway. So I'm not sure if I'm doing it right, but I've been going through my subscriber list and trying to, get all the names together so I could do a drawing from that list. But it did say that there are some names that aren't on there, people who don't make their subscriptions public. So if you think that might be you and your name's not going to be on my list of names that I'm going to draw from, then you want to send me an email, and that would be to sarahsjewelrystudio@outlook.com, and then, or you can do it at gmail.com, it doesn't matter. They're both the same, they're both mine. So anyway, so yeah, send me an email if you want me to double check and make sure your name's on the list. So it doesn't matter where you live. I can't imagine shipping is going to be, super outrageous to anywhere super crazy that you guys might live. So it doesn't matter where you guys live. I'm going to ship out 1,000 beads. So I may do a video about picking those beads out. I'm not sure. But either way, so whoever the winner is, I will reach out. I guess I would have to, I'm not sure how we go about doing that actually. So I'll have to figure out the details on that because I don't have a way to really contact people unless I comment on your page somehow. I don't know how YouTube works. But anyway, so I will figure that out. And then I'll do another video about how I'm going to get in contact with whoever the winner may be. But I do want to do, where I draw the winner, I do want to do a video of that so you guys see that I'm I'm not just making it up, that is a random drawing. So I'm going to work all that out. And then I'll do another video. Alright, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and I will see you next time. Bye.